I go say I no go make problem for this compound. Na then go dey find me problem. I talk am see am na. Na she dey wash cloth for here. Mommy gift. The cloth when I put for rope for backyard, who shit am go back go put cloth for there? I talk am. Na you. Yes. Na you carry the cloth when I sew, you push am go one corner, you come put your own. Why na?
I don't spread my clothes.
Mommy gift, why na? Why you dey always find my problem for this compound? Why na? I put cloth for sun, say okay, make the cloth dry. Cloth no dry. I come dey wonder say wetin make my cloth no dry? Wetin make my cloth no dry? I come reason na cloth say I'm not comfortable. That is why I no dry. I'm not comfortable. That is why I no dry. So na you go push am go corner wey make my cloth not comfortable.
You see how they laugh.
So na you draw my cloth go back.
No, you
put your own. Abi?
Wait, you no get work at all.
Na you no get work.
You no get work.
Na you no get work.
Go and look for work.
Wetin if you get work, why you go carry the cloth when I put for sun? You go drag go for corner. My cloth come dey say I'm not comfortable. Why you no let my cloth dey comfortable so that you go drag? My cloth no dey comfortable, you no come drag again. Wetin happen na? Wetin happen?
No, wait o. Your cloth is telling you it's not comfortable.
I go just sit down gege. I go say I no go make problem. Una go just take problem dey find my body. Cloth wey for don dry since you no let the cloth dey comfortable. Cloth dey say I'm not comfortable. I come say I don't know say na you go draw go back.
I no fit talk again.
So na you draw the cloth go back abi?
Wait o.
Na you draw go back. Wait for me. Na you go draw my own go back put your own abi? Wait for me.
Your cloth is saying I'm not comfortable.
Wait for me.
Mama Janet with the wahala. Cloth is saying I'm not comfortable. This woman no get work.
Wait for me. No be your cloth be this. No be your cloth be this. My cloth na be your cloth be this. You carry my own go one corner, you come put your so that your own go dry. See your own. Wetin wan happen make it happen for this compound today? Wetin wan happen make it happen? If you know say you get too mind, cross this line. Make you know say small body will be bigger than now be. Cross this line now.
Wait, so is this my cloth?
I match your cloth. See am. If you know say your head cross this line, cross am.
I will match you.
Cross this line.
You match my clothes.
You cross this line.
You match my clothes.
Cross this line.
You match my clothes.
Cross this line.
You match my clothes.
You cross this line make I see. I say I don't need problem. Una don see that they find my problem. Come when I saw you go push am go corner. Don't put your own for there.
Before I give you water.
Cross this line.
Go and wash that clothes.
You cross this line.
Before I change that for you.
You cross this line. You cross this line. Okay, another line. Cross
before I change that for you.
Cross another line.
Take this cloth now. Go and wash.
You cross another line.
Go and wash this cloth.
Cross another line. Make I tell you say small body with big engine now be.
No.
You cross the second line now.
You match my clothes.
Cross the second line if you say you get well.
No see Anna. You don't run no. You know, say go power not there with her. Now only have to shake chest. Now only have to that bonbon said where you go carry her come. Now only go, and the woman not even get bonbon before. Where you go carry bonbon come? And who know? You match my clothes. Mommy didn't match my clothes. Tell me say my clothes say I'm not comfortable. One day be one day. One day. I must catch this woman. Unless he not pass this place, I will carry my chair. I will sit down here and wait. He must come and pass now. Let me stay here. He must come and pass. I must make sure say I give her woto. I give her woto. May they come. No wahala.